Hello again. So in this video, we're going to look at calculating percentage change. So with this, we're actually looking to see how much something has changed as a percentage. That could be an increase or a decrease. So in this first question here, a painting is bought for £5,000. Now, before we go any further, what we're doing here is identifying what is the original value. So our original value is £5,000. So we can see the difference between 5,800 and 5,000 is £800. So the actual change is £800. It's really important though to recognise that this is an increase, because when we discuss percentage change we tend to put at the end whether it's an increase or a decrease. So we've got two key pieces of information here, and they are the only two key pieces of information we actually need. We need to know the original value and we need to know the actual change. And if we've got that, we've got a little formula that we can use to calculate this. So our formula is percentage change is equal to the actual change divided by the original value multiplied by 100 to get a percentage. So in our case here, we have got 800 divided by the 5,000 multiplied by 100, and that will give us a fraction of the change to the original. And all we're doing then is multiply by the 100 to get the percentage. Let's do that in our calculators. So we can see in this case here, if we do that calculation, we get 16%. So that is a 16% increase. So a quick recap, the key part is this formula here. So percentage change is equal to the actual change, that's the difference between the original and the new price, divided by the original value, multiplied by 100. Let's look at another one. I've placed the formula up there so you can see it. The price of a holiday is reduced, key word there, from £1,950 to £1,500. What is the percentage decrease? Again, it tells us what's going on here. Let's not forget that. We are looking at percentage change. We said it was the actual change. Well, the actual change is 1,950 minus 1,500, all divided by the original amount. It's this bit that causes people problems, actually. A lot of people tend to think that the lowest amount is the original amount. That's not always the case. The original amount is the amount you start with. So in our case, we are starting with £1,950. So our original amount is 1950. We multiply that by 100 and we get our percentage. So let's do that. And we get 23.1% to one decimal place. And again, that is a decrease. Reinforcing the formula, the actual change is the difference between the two prices divided by the original value. That's the amount you start with. And then we multiply by 100 to get the answer we're looking for, remembering to put increase or decrease on the end. Okay, let's do another one. Again, there is the formula. So we're asked in this question to calculate the percentage change. They haven't told us if it's an increase or decrease yet. We're looking at items A, B, C, D, and we've got the new prices and old prices. So let's start with A. We are looking at the percentage change, and that is equal to the 90 pence minus 60 pence divided by the original value, which was 60 pence, all multiplied by 100. In our case, that gives us a 50% increase. Because if you look at this, price A to price B is getting larger, so that is an increase. Let's look at question B. So I'm going to put the percentage change there. That is equal to the actual change, which is 700 minus 450, divided by the original, which was 700, multiplied by 100, and that is 35.7% again to one decimal place. So now we need to decide if it's an increase or a decrease. Well, we're going from the old price to the new price. It's going down, so that one is a decrease. Let's look at question C. So now again, percentage change is equal to the difference. Well, that is 325 minus 300 over the original, which was 325, multiplied by the 100, and that gives us 7.7% to one decimal place. So this is going down, so it's a decrease. And our last question, D, percentage change is the actual change. Now notice in this one I've got it in pence and pounds. Clearly I need to put it all in pence first. So we're going to go 120 pence minus 75 pence divided by the original, which is 75. Now we times that by 100, and that is a 60% increase. So just to reiterate, key point here, you can see the formula is very straightforward. It works for both percentage increase and decrease. So 2 key points to work out, find the original value and work out the actual change, and then you've got everything you need. As always, if you've got something from this, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Well done.